In this video, I'll show you how to access your library on Battlenet. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up Battlenet and go to games, and as you can see, these are my games installed on my PC. So to find the installed location of all these games, what you want to do is click on the logo, top left hand corner of the screen, and then click into settings. And now from here, you want to click onto downloads, and it will show you where the game installation is. So default install directory on my PC is program files, and on your PC it might say something similar. So if you want to change it, you can click on change, or if you like where it is, just keep it where it is. So for example, if I want to go and have a look at the World of Warcraft game, the file directory where it is, I'm going to go to program files 86 on my PC. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I'm inside C drive here. And then I'm going to go program files 86. And there it is there, the directory World of Warcraft. Also, another thing to note, if I go back to Battle.net, if you've got games installed in different locations, that also will appear here as well. So if you've got ones that aren't in program files 86, just see where it is, go to that folder and click into that game, and you'll be able to see their directory or